In this video, we'll guide you through completing a sample inspection using our digital platform. After entering your email on our website, you'll receive a sample inspection to follow along with. We'll walk you through entering inspection details, adding images, submitting reports, and reviewing results, giving you a hands-on look at how Liftspec makes inspections simple, efficient, and effective. Let's get started. Now let's go ahead and take a look at that email. You have 3 ways to start the sample inspection: the iOS app, the Android app, or any web browser. I highly recommend you download either the iOS or Android app and launch the inspection form in the app. For this demonstration, we will be using the iOS app. Go ahead and click on the Launch iOS Liftspec app. The app will launch on the main page of the form. On this page, you have 3 sections: the general section, where you will enter location, customer, and inspector details; the inspection section, where you will enter lift inspections; and finally, the customer review section, where your customer will add their signature. Let's start adding customer details. You can manually add a shop name, or you can select a location from the drop-down option. You can upload your own customer list CSV on the web app. Selecting a customer will auto-populate the contact name, address, and email. We are going to continue filling in the inspector name and signature. We are also going to add a shop picture, which will be displayed on the front page of your final report. You can use your camera or insert a picture from your device. Now, let's start adding lift inspections to our report. Scrolling to the inspections section, you will notice a blue bar with the number 1 within a circle. We have already populated some information on the first lift. Click on the blue bar will take us into the list of lifts added to the report. You can click the lift and edit the results entered for that inspection checklist. Let's try it out. Selecting a lift type and will sort the ALI model number dropdown. Selecting a model from the dropdown will auto-populate basic manufacturer details. If this is a non-ALI model, you can add the model number in unlisted entry. Let's continue by entering key details, such as the serial number and certification label number. You also have the option to scan serial number barcodes by toggling the barcode scan switch. You can also add a lift image to the form using your camera or photo library. This image will appear on the first page of the individual lift inspection checklist, serving as a valuable reference for future service or parts needs. As we continue the inspection, we'll enter responses, comments, and images for each inspection item. Keep in mind that these are just sample items. You can customize the questions and responses to fit your specific needs. Once you've entered all responses, click the Done button. A verification check will run to ensure all required fields, such as pass-fail status, bay number, and other key details, are completed. If any required fields are missing, clicking on them will take you directly to the corresponding entry for completion. Entering recommended repairs is a great way to highlight service needs for your customer. These recommendations are organized by bay and displayed on the summary page of the final report. Adding recommended repairs in this section helps improve customer engagement and increases the likelihood of necessary service being scheduled. Let's add another lift to this inspection form. Click the blue bar within the inspection section to return to the list of lifts. Here you'll see that we have a 2-post lift in Bay 1 that has passed its inspection. If you have multiple lifts of the same type, you can easily copy a previous inspection without images and modify the responses as needed. Let's take a look at how to do that. Simply touch and hold the inspection you want to copy until the Copy Row pop-up box appears. Click Yes to copy that row. You will immediately be taken to the new inspection checklist, where you can start modifying the responses. You can now see that we have 2 lifts added to the inspection form. Clicking the blue bar will take you back to the lift list summary. To add more lifts, simply click the Add New button located at the bottom right of the screen. If you need to modify a lift inspection, simply click on the inspection to open the checklist and adjust the responses as needed. Once you're done, click Done to return to the main page. It's now time to finalize your form and prepare for submission. Before proceeding, review the inspection to ensure all key details are entered. Next, obtain your customer's acknowledgement of the inspection's purpose and their signature. You can use the lift inspection list to provide a summary of the lifts inspected and their results. Let your customer know that they will receive a final report summarizing all inspection results via email shortly after you submit the form. Now you're ready to submit your inspection. Click the blue Submit button at the bottom of the screen and select Submit My Form. Your responses will be uploaded to the cloud, where they are securely saved and accessible from any web-connected device, along with all other inspections you've completed. For more features, be sure to check out our dashboard tutorial videos. And that's it. You're all done. Shortly, both you and your customer will receive the final report as a link via email. Let's take a look at what that looks like. A few minutes after submitting your form, you should receive an email from info@liftspec.com. This email will contain a link to the final inspection report. All the content in this email is fully customizable to match your brand's voice. Personalizing this message is a great way to enhance customer engagement and strengthen the connection between your business and your clients. Let's click the link to review the final report. The first page of the final inspection report includes customer and inspector details along with their signatures. It also features Google Maps GPS markers that indicate the exact locations where both the inspector and customer signed the form. The second page of the final inspection report provides a summary of the lift inspection results organized by bay. It features color-coded pass and fail indicators for quick reference. Additionally, this page includes a summary of recommended repairs for each lift, also sorted by bay. As mentioned earlier, adding recommended repairs makes this summary a valuable tool for both your customers and your internal staff, helping them take informed action on necessary maintenance and repairs. Finally, the remaining pages of the report provide detailed inspection responses for all items from your digital form. This includes images, comments, and any additional notes recorded during the inspection. These detailed records ensure clarity and transparency, making it easy for customers and internal teams to review the inspection findings in depth. If you added pictures to an inspection item, they will appear as clickable links under that item, along with any image-specific comments beside them. Clicking a link will open the image, allowing for further review. These images can also be annotated directly within the app, making it easy to highlight important details or concerns. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, feel free to call, email, or explore more videos on our website. Happy inspecting!